Just get the pasta and put as much as needed in the bowl.
Hold it.
And then you just put it in the microwave for 20 minutes.
Okay.
You do that, Milia?
Okay.
What did you say, love?
20 minutes.
What did you say? Thank you what?
Thank you. It's me.
For teaching you?
No, thank you for helping me.
Oh, helping you. Thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. Okay, and then we just put all the veggies into the pot.
And help you.
And we put it on for 15 minutes. Broccoli.
Mom.
Good girl.
I help you. On that. And this.
Zucchini.
Yeah, and this. Pocket and two pockets. And this, and this, and this.
Then we just cook the veggies for 15 minutes on the stove.
And this.
Already taken the water out of the pasta. Now I'm just cooking the chicken. Just put in all the chicken wings. And then I'm going to add, once it's cooked, Thai sweet chilli sauce. Then you just put them on the heat for about 10-15 minutes. And then you add in the sauce. Chicken is cooked, then you just add the sweet chilli sauce. Then leave them on the heat until nice and brown. Now I'm just going to add the pasta in with the veggies. And then the creamy mushroom sauce. Then just mix it around. Then just put it in the microwave for 5 minutes.